What is up, YouTube? This is Zachary2 back at you again. Today we're going to be doing a what's inside video. I have something to show you at the end of this video again. So, okay, well, I really wanted to try something. I doubt this is going to work, but I've had this for like years, and I just found it again. It's like a lock. I don't know the password to it, so we're just going to like try to get it open. If it fails, it fails. But let's jump into this. Let's see if there's a way that you can see the table, like maybe that's like that. There you go. Dang it. Sorry guys. Trying to. Okay. There you go. I'm just gonna try to break this lock. I have no idea what that is, but it's so hard to get open. Let's try like. Okay, this might not be a good idea. I want to try to exit because I don't want to get cut. I want to break that one. It ain't like doing crap to it else. Just try pulling it. Okay, just try to slide it over. Okay. Wait a second. This is difficult. Very difficult. I don't know if this is going to work. This video might be a fail. Don't know. Most likely it will be. Because right now, this is not working too well. If you guys can't, don't know, but if you can see, like, alright, let me try to make it better for you to see it. Well, if you can't tell, there's like a metal piece right there inside of it, and that's what I'm trying to cut to make the thing come off. So I can't do that. Well, that's just not gonna work. I don't really know what to do. Like, do I just try to bend it open? Oh my god, it says FBI on it. Like, what kind of lock was this? Could be. It says master, like a thing that you go by, but it has like a code on it. And I have no idea. It says 007. Okay. Zero. I have no idea if this is gonna work. 0. Seven. Nope. Nothing is working. It's like it wants to come out though. I have no idea what's wrong with it. Like, you know, I figured we can do a what's inside video on this, but it seemed to be a fail. I don't even want to freaking rip it. I don't know what to use on this, but it's like the toughest crap I've ever seen. Oh yeah, I gotta show you a new pop socket. It's done on my phone, but I'll show you in a second. Okay, well, that definitely didn't work. Okay, now see what it is. There's a ball in there. I don't know how to get that off though. It's like there's a little ball. They have a circle, and there's another ball in it. Like it's like that, and it can't come out. Like it can't come through because, well, it's like the circle's too little for the ball to come through, and it's like. Try to wiggle it around, but it won't work. None of this is working. Well, I wish I had the skill saw out now. I don't know what to use on it. Like, it's not gonna break anytime soon. It's pretty doggone tough, if you ask me. So you can't really do anything. Okay. If you can't see, there's a ball in there, like. There's a ball in there, and it's like jammed in there, and you can't get it out. I would have found it laying on the ground. TSA slot. What the heck is TSA mean? If you know what this thing like is, comment down below because it's giving me troubles. Really bad troubles. Well, this didn't work, so that is a fail of a what's inside master lock, I guess. So yeah, but I'm going to show you my new pop socket I got today for $7.99 at the mall. Yes, I went to go shopping today, and of course I forgot to record everything. Like, as soon as, like, my mom said, let's just go get the clothes and everything, shop for clothes, socks, whatever, accessories, and then we'll go and get something to eat. Well, we got at the very end, got something to eat at the very end before we did anything else. We did everything, and then at the end, when we started to leave Morristown, which is the place I was, it was going, like, we got there, we ate, and then I'm like, oh crap, I forgot to record. And Mom's like, well, you told me to remind you, but, you know, it didn't work. So, but I want to show you my pop socket I got. It's really cool. I love it a lot. Hang on. Dang it, I don't know how to show it. Well, I don't want to take it off. Like, I don't know how you switch your camera. Yep. Oh. Dang it. Well, guess you'll never. Well, that was a fail. Guess you'll never see my pop socket. That sucks, because I don't want to take it off my phone. Because if I do that, then, well, you know. But, yeah. Sorry, I was just looking at something. I what it is, but it's like it says FBI on it. Like, you see that code? Well, up above it, it says FBI. Well, beside of it says FBI. Yeah, it looks weird. You can barely see it. It's like engraved into it. But yeah, well, that's just going to wrap up this video. Wasn't really much. I was just really bored, and I wanted to try to do this video because I found it while I was doing planning on thinking of another videos. I found it, so I'm like, oh, let's do this. There probably will be a shoe collection coming up video, maybe tomorrow, most likely tomorrow. I might even do it tonight and upload and edit both the videos tonight and then post one tomorrow, and then the next day I don't have a video cover for it. I don't know what I'm going to do, but you guys will be seeing this video. Probably won't get any likes on this, but remember, like, subscribe, comment down below, done / whatever you want, and I'll private message you, and I'll send you the fidget spinner or the Amazon gift card. I still got them. Since no one's actually, no one subscribed, so please, I just want one subscriber. Please. But yeah, that's going to wrap up the video. Zachary, so don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and peace out.